Okay. I'm going to test out something else today. You've all seen me use Maker's Magic Gloss, but guess what? I am getting to test the new Maker's Magic matte. So let's just draw a line down the middle, and I'm going to do this side with gloss, and I'm going to do this side with matte. And we're going to see how it dries. Clearly, you can already tell a little bit of a difference. But look at that. That's only after a few minutes, and you could already tell the difference. So I think I'm going to add a second coat of matte. I'm going to leave it one coat of gloss, and I'm going to add 2 coats of matte just to make sure that putting coat on after coat, it doesn't get glossy. And as you can see, it did not. So that's super exciting. So now another test. I'm going to put the matte on top of the side of the gloss that we already did. I've done this with another product before, and it totally worked just like this did. Like, check that out. I completely just covered the gloss that we already put down with the matte, and it turned it to matte, and it looks just identical to the other side. So let's just take the rest of the matte that I have and cover this whole baby and see what happens, because I'm super excited. And now I have a little rustic sign, and it's sealed with Maker's Magic Matte. I am so excited. I really love this formula, and I hope that this video helps, because yeah, I'm super stoked. This is what matte should look like.